Hey everyone, Rhonda Robson with Rhonda's Tri-RRR-tistry, and thank you so much for joining me on my art channel. Today we're going to do a bloom technique, cute little 6x6 bloom technique. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is put down your base paint or your pillow paint. The next thing is your colors. This is Deco Art Amethyst, and it's a metallic color. The next one is a Deco Art Deep Sapphire. It is also metallic. This next one is a Liquitex Fluorescent Green. I'm doing it in this nice little cute little rainbow technique. Liquitex Fluorescent Yellow is next. Then I added in this copper, which is really cool. It's an Arteza copper, super pretty. I loved it. And then the Artist Loft Metallic Red. So the copper was kind of like an orange. Now I'm going to be adding in my black cell activator. And this cell activator is the Amsterdam Oxidized Black with the Australian Floetrol. And I'm using a new tool. And I'm just trying to get used to it. It's got a very narrow blow area. Even though you've got that little white thing on the end, it's very intense, and it was really hard to kind of push the cell activator over top of the paints. I got into the white quite a bit on this one. Anyway, and you can see that this was the second time I've done this. I'm just trying to use this tool just to try to do something different. Now, see, I told you, I got some white there. I kept digging down into the white. So then I took the piece off the end, and I'm just using the straw portion of it to just kind of blow down into the cell activator to kind of hope to get some cells that came up. With this device, they also gave me this tube, so I thought, well, I'll try that. It's a little bit, I just couldn't get it on this, although this bloom turns out really good, I have to tell you. But anyway, still struggling through this, just trying to get the cells to pop up. And I'm using a torch. It's a chef's torch is what it is, just to make sure that there's no air bubbles on it. And then I'm going to spin it out a little bit here just to kind of get the weight of the paint off. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to do a little design using a little stick that I have, a little metal stick there. Just put a little design in there, kind of moving the white. Same thing with some of the black and some of the color. I'm just kind of swirling it into each other. I don't really want to hit the cells that I have in the middle. I'm just trying to blend all the other areas, although here I just went through the middle just a little bit there. So let's spin it out again to stretch the paint out. And it's starting to look really good. That looks really good. Look at that. Oh, sorry about the shadow there, or the light on there. And there it is. Awesome. I love it. It was tough, but I got it done. And here's the dried results too. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Thanks for joining me today, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. And if you like this video, I bet you're gonna like these as well. Thanks a lot, and have a great day. Bye! Bye!